hair dryer. So every single time I want to accelerate on the maximum on the track, I have to retake my hands. I'll try to edit everything that it seems that I'm doing everything.
Amazing.
Magician.
Magical.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will continue working on my Suzuki, and today is the day of the video you all been waiting for. I will finally start working on the fuel tank and prepare it for the painters. So as I already told you, I will remove all the stickers, and some of them are under the clear coat, so I will try to manage to remove them as well. And now I will use this hair dryer and we'll try to work on that. So I think I will skip most of it because this part is very boring, so I will not try to bore you guys, so don't fall asleep. Say that working on this fuel tank is a bit easier than working on the wheel, so that's good. But now I will make a short story time. So yesterday I was in the gym for the first time in a few years, in the good few years, because for some of you who already know me, know that me and exercise are in very bad relationship. So it was a bit of a challenge for me to go there, to prepare and go there. But why I went there is because this year's championship will be divided in 10 races, and there will be no girls group, so I will have to compete with the guys. So that's the plan. So I don't worry about the speed of mine. All I'm worried is that I'm get tired after like 6 laps, and then my speed becomes very slow, so I have to be more fit. And my friend told me, you know, when you go to the gym and you exercise, you feel very good. She lied. All I can say is that I felt like I wanted to die. Now every part of my body is sore. And will I go there again? Yes, I will. Why? Because I want to win. But the moral of the story is that people will lie to you and they will want to see you in pain. Okay, so I'm all done with the easiest part, the stickers on top. And now I have to remove the clear coat and remove the sticker underneath. So I have the sandpaper, so I think I will just cut a little bit of it and try to do something, and hopefully it will work. My hands are all sore. So it is all done. All of the clear coat and the stickers are removed. It's a very good thing that my friend had a tool for it, so it saved me a lot of time, because with the sandpaper it took me like a week or something. But now I will just clean it properly and clean everything, and we will go to the next part. So everything is clean now, and one more thing I will do today, I will change the hand grips for my Suzuki. And why I'm doing that is because my old acceleration is very long, so every single time I want to accelerate on the maximum on the track, I have to retake my hands, so that's very uncomfortable for me. What I'm doing, I ordered R6 hand grips, so I think now we will just put them on with this guy who is eating Stop eating. Let's go to work.
Amazing.
Magician.
Magical.
Doing all the work. Okay, it's much shorter. I just want to try it on the track, but I can feel it already that it will be very good for me. So, and of course it will be easier to learn how to do wheelies, because on the last summer I said till the end of the summer I will know how to do a wheelie and I will be able to balance my bike, you know, a bit. And if I manage to do that, no, but this year that's a new challenge for me. So let's wait and see how it goes. And now the other part. We're all done with this part. We have audience here. Hello. So what I'm going to do next, it seems that I'm not doing anything, like my friend is doing everything, but you know, I will take the credit for that. I will try to edit everything that it seems that I'm doing everything. So I will put it So I will put it on the right side to protect the front brakes, front brake lever, because that's the rule for some of the tracks. So we will just try to do that right here. It's a fail. Okay, I can see that I need a washer for it, so I will try to find one. The slider is already in, so one part of this bike is already finished, so I'm very happy about it. On the other side, I will just put the simple slider, you know, not the same one as on this side, but of course I will not put the blue one, so I think I will just order some black ones. I have my friend's one, he has spare ones like this, but they're a little bit too small for me. I want them to be longer, you know, just because on the corners it's easier to move the bars forward. Then it works like extended, you know, bar, so that's pretty good. And now it's time for the next part, the moment I was waiting for the most, because we will try to make this garage even more beautiful. So we have new poster, which is Ducati one, and we will put it on this wall. That's actually not a wall, that's the door, but we will not be using it. So we will put it in here. So firstly we have to move everything from here. We have a lot of stuff in the few months. I think we have to do a little bit of cleaning in here already, because it's such a mess. I just don't like it. Okay, so everything is prepared. As always, are you ready for a little bit of magic? 1, 2, 3. How do you like it? So now every single part of this garage looks absolutely amazing. Of course, the best part are wall mounts. So don't forget, I'm selling them. So I will leave the link down below if you want to buy one. So I'm selling them without any logos. So if you want to have something with your motorcycle logo, you can always write me a message on the Instagram and we will try to figure something out. So if you have any more suggestions what else we could do to make this garage even more awesome, just leave a comment down below. But talking about Suzuki, I'm just waiting for some parts to arrive, so I think finally I will have some time to work on Panigale, because for the next season lots of work still needs to be done. So the next video will be with Ducati, so I will keep you updated, and for now that's it. So don't forget to leave a thumbs up, of course leave a comment down below, and as always, kisses, bye.